Okay, so I am very excited to open up my package from Goldleaf Supplies. It's got lots of goodies in it that I am looking forward to experimenting with. Okay, let's see. Oh wow. Okay. I wanted to try, so this is colored silver loose leaf and the color is green. So I just wanted to choose one color to start with to see if I like it. Excited to see. I don't want to accidentally like cut into the gold leaf, silver leaf. I think I've only got 10 sheets. So let's cut down here. Oh, look, a tiny bit's come out. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. Well, that's going to be fun to play with. Okay, so that is colored silver leaf. Imitation, by the way, guys. And the price for 10 sheets was $9.95. Okay. Wow. Oxidized silver loose leaf. Okay. This feels a bit like opening a stocking on Christmas Day. Because I genuinely don't know what some of these are actually going to look like. Da da da. Okay, let's have a look at that color. Okay, so I think I've got a bit confused. So this, let's just have a look again what this is. Okay, so it's oxidized silver leaf, but the color is oxidized gold. And that for 10 sheets is $9.95. Okay, so I'm just gonna look at that color again. This is so interesting because I need to understand what the benefit would be of buying silver leaf that's colored gold. So much to learn. Okay, let's go. We got red, copper, 750. Oh, standard. Okay, right, let's have a look at the copper. So I have got, oh yeah, so I wanted to, get some better, or some different copper leaf. So I've got a 25 leaf booklet. Oh my gosh, it was so cheap. It was only £2.75. Okay, let's check it out, see how it looks. Let's speed up the whole process. I'm being really slow. Okay. No. Ooh. Okay, so this is a transfer leaf. So it means that the leaf is actually stuck to the tissue, which makes it much easier for applying on a flat surface. The color's really nice. I just can't believe how cheap it is, especially as transfer. Transfer is normally a little bit more expensive. So that is a standard quality copper. So we'll have to have a look at that. Okay, this is, okay. This is red gold and it's transfer. I wanted to see what the red gold color was like. Because, you know, we all have such different tastes, don't we? And what I'm starting to realize, well, not starting, the gold leaf, the imitation gold leaf, comes in so many different colors and finishes, and it's really exciting to just see what's out there. Ooh. Okay, so again, transfer sheets, which I love. I've made a video about using transfer sheets. I'm going to do another one. This is a lovely color. It's actually not as reddish as I thought it would be. And we'll keep a sheet out actually to compare to the yellow, or the standard, sorry, gold. So that's the red gold, and that was red gold leaf booklet, $5.95. Not bad, not bad. Okay, let's have a look at, okay, these are the last two. So I wanted to get some of the standard gold leaf transfer, which I really like and I've used before for larger projects covering canvases. And I wanted to get one superior and one standard to see what differences I could see. So let's look at the superior one first. So I've got 25 sheets in this booklet, and that was only $5.95. I have also bought some real gold before from this company, which was amazing, but that's another video. Okay, so ooh. Okay, so this is our superior. Oh, a few scratches on there, which is a bummer. You see that? Anyway, c'est la vie. It's probably because it's the top sheet. Let's look in the middle of the booklet and see. Okay. So that's a superior quality. And then this is the standard. So you see how they have a different color tissue between the superior and the standard of this brand, this particular type, so that I won't get confused. Okay, let's see. Nice, beautiful. And so easy when it's attached to these sheets. It makes the world of difference. So let's just have a look side by side. Actually, I didn't like that sheet. Hold on, let me get another sheet. Okay, so we have standard versus superior. And my first thing, the superior is much more shiny. And the standard is kind of softer and a bit more dull. And again, I think that is like a personal taste. It's going to be interesting to see if I notice a difference when I actually apply them to a surface. So, oh, and then let's have a look at, what was this one again? Oh, this is the red gold. So, yeah, basically what I should do is make a video and we will apply them all and sort of do a compare and contrast. So that's going to be really interesting. Anyway, thank you for joining me on this little fun excursion into opening up my supplies. I'm excited to try the green. I'm just a bit sniffy about, I always stick with gold. I barely even do silver. But I think it'd be fun to try some colors. And also just, yeah, just on a quest really to find the best products and share them with you. Okay, see you when I get all of this sorted out. Bye.